Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, April 21st. Let's see what we have to do today. As you know, it is Wednesday, so that means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom as a class. Let's see what you have to do for async. There are 3 activities to do. The first one is a Nearpod lesson, but, although, and however. Many of you, all of you, should be familiar with how Nearpod works, so you'll just click join lesson and follow the lesson. Your next assignment is to identify the types of articles in the types of evidence in this article. So you will read this article and then you will you will look at some pieces of evidence and tell us if it is a fact, a statistic, a quote, or a personal anecdote. You will read 4 pieces of evidence. All right, 3 to 4 things in this article, and you tell us if it's a fact, quote, personal anecdote, or statistic. And your last assignment for today, just read this article and be ready to discuss it tomorrow. So you'll just read this article and we'll be ready to discuss tomorrow. There will be student government today. If anyone is interested in representing our class, here is the information for student government. It is in our student announcements here on our main page, the second slide. And that's it for today. Good luck.